Hey art friends, in this video we're going to draw a really cool steamroller. I always hope you're really excited to follow along with me and you have your art supplies ready. For this lesson we're using our pencil and eraser to first draw the main shapes of our wheel and also the roller. Then we switch to our markers to draw and color with. You can also use whatever art supplies you have. Alright, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's use our pencil to draw the ground. I'm drawing with my paper horizontal so that we have more room to draw a big roller. Steamroller or road roller. I'm gonna say steamroller because it's easier, easier to say. Now we're gonna draw the roller up here on the front. I'm gonna draw a big circle. And we're gonna draw the same size circle back here for the tire, for the actual wheel. Yes, okay, now that's all we're using our pencil for. Try to keep it just simple with those shapes. Now we're going to switch to our marker, and if you want, you could just keep using a pencil. It's okay, you don't have to switch. All right, now let's draw all of the extra things and parts to make up our roller. Let's start with the frame that goes around the front roller. So let's draw a rectangle shape right through the middle. So I'm going to draw a straight horizontal line and one right below it. Then let's connect the top down to the bottom. Then we can draw the tire over here. Let's draw the outside circle first. We'll just trace over the pencil line. Then we can draw the rim or the wheel inside. And you could use a template if you want to draw a perfect circle, but I always like practicing my circles freehand. We're going to draw a really small one inside. Okay, now let's go around the outside of our tire and add the tread. I'm going to add these little dashes all the way around. This part will fast forward, so pause the video and take time to add this little step to your tires. Next, let's draw the cab, and we're going to draw it right in between the tire and the roller. So we could start with the front windshield. Let's just draw a rectangle shape. We'll draw the bottom. It looks like the letter L. Then we can draw, I'm going to come a little further over, and then we'll come up, and then we'll draw the top. So we got the rectangle shape. Oh, let's also trace over the pencil over here. We're not going to draw through this rectangle shape. We can switch to our eraser if you want, and we can erase the guideline that goes through there. Now let's trace over the pencil. We can draw over the top first, and then also the bottom. Oh, and let's also do the ground. Okay, next, let's draw another upside down or rainbow line right here, or another circle inside of the first one. This is for that outside roller, the hard part that you run over things with. Then we're going to draw the back of our roller. Let's draw a line down. Then we can connect into the back wheel. Then let's come out the back wheel, up. And then let's draw a short diagonal line coming forward. And then we'll connect into the back of the cab. Then let's also connect the front frame that goes around the roller with the rest of the vehicle. Okay, now we need our ladder so that we can get into the cab. So let's draw a line down, and then we're going to draw the steps or the rungs on the ladder coming through. And then we can also add the windows and all of the extra lines on the cab. Let's start with a really tall, skinny window here at the front. I'm also going to draw a horizontal line across the top, and you could add more details or more little things to make your roller cool. You don't have to match the same as mine. you can pause the video and change your drawing any way you want. There's another window, and then we can add one more small window right here. That looks really cool. Oh, and let's draw the door. We're gonna have the door come down and across, and we'll just connect there. Oh, and we can add a little handle. Then let's add more things up front. I'm gonna add this little sun visor. We could also add lights and maybe a light on the front too. And a light on the back. Okay, next let's draw over the wheel. This is the wheel well. So we're gonna come down and let's connect here. We could also add vents. We're gonna add 3 lines there, and let's add even more. I'm gonna add 3 lines here. Oh, and a part line there because this part opens to get into the engine. Oh, let's also add an exhaust. I'm gonna add a tall, skinny rectangle. And then we could also draw a curve at the top, or the part that curves, so it goes away from the cab, so we don't get the exhaust into the cab. Okay, next, let's add a few more motor pieces up here, just a bunch of little lines, all the mechanical parts. And we could also add a hose. And let's also add a circle here and diagonal vents. And let's add bolts to hold this frame together. You can take this apart to service the roller. I'm gonna leave it just like this, but you could add even more stuff to your drawing to finish it. You could add a background or maybe even a construction person driving the roller. The next part I'm fast forwarding, I'm gonna color my drawing. You can pause the video and color your drawings too. Now, before we color, we wanna switch to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you could still see. And we did it, we finished coloring our steamroller. It looks so cool. And I hope you'll take time to color your drawings also. You can add more things, like we added highlights and shading. You could also add the background like we mentioned, or even construction people. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.